We've got a strikingly beautiful Cougar convertible here today. Incredible paint job. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get the pricing and all the specs and photos on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale too. We have financing. We can ship a car anywhere in the world. Go to our website, volocars.com, and plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people here that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. You gotta start somewhere. So if you have questions, comments, concerns, reach out to us and we'll get the ball started and we'll help you out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos on there. We got great cars rolling in the door right now. Let's take this one for a spin. The paint job is second to none. It's not a $100,000 car, but the paint job makes it look that way. I mean, this thing is, I don't want to use the word perfect, but I didn't see a thing wrong with it. It's laser straight. The paint is laid out like red glass. The body is pristine. I didn't see any bubbles or issues. Matter of fact, we have pictures of it stripped down to bare metal, the fenders, doors, the whole car was apart. Got a binder here full of paperwork and documentation going back to the mid-'80s. The last owner, who owned it for several years, loved getting oil changes because I seen oil change sticker one after another, and also had it professionally detailed on a regular basis. But again, body and paint is fabulous. The chrome bumpers shine beautifully. Inside the trunk, looks like it's still brand new. It's got the original gray spatter finish, a nice new mat. It's got the spare under the trunk lid. The jambs painted beautifully, has new weather strip. The interior's been redone, new door panels, new upholstery, carpet. But you can tell it's just taken care of. The whole dash area is mint. There's no cracks. The visors, console, all beautiful shape. Now, this car has all the gauges with the tachometer, console, floor shifter. It's a factory air-conditioned car. It has a big block 351 Cleveland in it. Air conditioning was serviced. It works. It's got some unique wheels. Even the spare is a match to those wheels. These tires are new. Motor compartment's just very clean, well-maintained, original condition. All the duct work and the tubing and the vacuum lines, everything's just the way it left the factory, but it's been really well maintained. Got a stack of receipts in there to verify that. But again, the paint, beautiful. Convertible top, crisp white top, looks new. It was born in these colors. Big part of the reason why I bought this car. Nice clean jambs, nice weather strips. Underneath the car is completely clean and rock solid. So whoever buys this car will be very happy with it. Let's start it up. Each car starts a little different. Some you have to get the gas, some you don't. Normally it starts right up. Door jambs painted beautifully. Got a stereo. Clock is working. Windshield's crystal clear. Mirror looks new. Visors are mint. Yeah, it runs real nice and smooth. Interior lights work. The key buzzer works. This is a very functional get in and drive type of car. It's the XR-7, the sporty model. Motor is smooth as it can possibly be. Under the hood's painted gloss red. That is a sexy looking car. Sport mirrors. Beautiful. So you can go to volocars.com. Check out all the pricing on this one and all the other cars we have for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.